Welcome back. It's time for sports.
Reggae Boys head coach Steve McLaren says the team cannot get complacent as they get ready for their World Cup qualifier clash versus Trinidad and Tobago on Tuesday. The Jamaicans started the final phase with a 4-0 victory over Bermuda, while Trinidad and Tobago had a 0-0 draw versus Curacao.
They're certainly improving under Dwight York, and we've played them 3 times already, so we know each other very well. And it'll be a hard game, a tough game. I watched their game against Curacao. They should have won. They played very well. Dangerous opponent.
McLaren also believes that the new faces are paying dividends.
We've been following a lot of players over the past year, and it's a good job that we did because we've needed them throughout the summer and also for this camp. So we've introduced 1 or 2 people, and we're pleased that we got the result against Bermuda, and everybody came together very well with little time together. So we need that again.
The match is set to kick off at 7 p.m. Jamaica time. Head coach for Treasure Beach FC, Kimar Ricketts, says he admires the team's fighting spirit as they had to come from behind twice to salvage a 2-2 draw against Molynes United as action continued in the Jamaica Premier League on Sunday. Raheem Porter in minute 69 and Kevon McGregor in second half stoppage time scored the equalizers for the St. Elizabeth-based club after Martin Pennycook in the 67th and Enric Gordon in the 71st put Molynes United ahead on both occasions.
Boy, it showed mentality, it showed that we're capable of just being relaxed underneath pressure and just coming back from behind.
Coach from Molynes United, Jermaine Thomas, believes they could have won the game.
We're in front. Probably a minute and less to go. We gave up as half one. I thought we never played the last probably 7 minutes of the game. Well, we lost our shape and we weren't tracking and marking as we ought to. And I thought that made a difference.
The JPL continues on Monday with a doubleheader at the Stadium East Field as at 5 p.m. Tivoli Gardens will play Spanish Town Police FC, while at 7:30 defending champions Cavalier will oppose Waterhouse. And finally, former national record holder Navasky Anderson is looking forward to competing in the 800 meters given the seasons he's had so far, and he's especially happy to have national record holder Tyrese Taylor for company as he was the lone standard bearer for the men. He held the national record, clocking 1 minute 44.40 seconds to win at the Sound Running Sunset Tour meet in Los Angeles. That time achieved the World Championship qualifying mark of 1 minute 44.50 seconds. Anderson's record didn't last long as national champion Tyrese Taylor broke it, clocking 1 minute 43.74 for bronze at the NACAC Senior Championships in August, also achieving the World Championship qualifying standard.
Tyrese is not here as yet, he's still at school, but I'm pretty excited for this new venture for the 800 meters. I'm pretty excited to know that I have Tyrese here with me as well in the coming days.
The Tokyo World Athletics Championships will run from September 13 to 21 and can be seen live and exclusively on TVJ, TVJSN, OneSpotMedia.com with radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Our coverage starts on September 12. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamila Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.